Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw watermelon. Drawing and coloring watermelon so easy. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a slice of watermelon. It looks like a triangle, right? Then I draw watermelon seeds like this. Now I draw a watermelon, starting with a big circle like this. Watermelon has a green rind and its inside is red. This fruit has a lot of juice and has a sweet taste. With just a few basic strokes, we can draw a watermelon. Now let's start coloring. First, I use brown to paint this part. Then I use dark green. I colored the inside of the watermelon red. Finally, I color the shape of the heart pink. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.